Hello everyone. Today I'm making a re-video of my 9-inch 1980s Galaxy 2154 desk fan. This is a fan I searched for 9 years straight. It's probably my most sought after plastic fan, right after the Duracraft multicolor fan. But anyway, this fan I searched for many years, and I finally picked it up on eBay for $32. And you may have seen my previous video of this one. It wasn't that great, but now I have a box for it, an original box for it. I received the box from local collector Cole S, and he very gratefully gave me that box for this fan. So the fan runs perfectly, as I said before, 4 cage clips. It's all in mint condition. I'll show you the box first. Here's the front side. It has different dates written on it in the original receipt here, purchase receipt. 1987, the oldest date I can see on the box is 85. So it would go with one of these older model Galaxies. It has the nut there to hold the blade on. Here's the side. Don't see that anymore on newer fans. Back side is the same, and this side is the same. So we'll move the box over to the side here. We'll get onto the fan. Here's the front of the fan. Pretty amazing condition, other than the slight patina on the grills. But all 4 cage clips are there and original. The only repair I had to do was to a crack in the back of the blade hub. I used some JB Weld. Here's the side. And the back. So I'll turn it to the front here, and I'll start it up on low. Very quiet. And now we will go to high. Turn on the oscillator here. Back down to low. And off. So thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.